This video shows you how to turn your Inktense blocks into a watercolor alternative. I'm always on the lookout for art supplies that will work with rock paintings. When you apply varnish to your rock painting, you risk the possibility of moving or smearing the media. Since Inktense is ink-based and they look like watercolors, I started to experiment in watercolors more than like 30 years ago. And although I really like acrylics, I wanted to add the transparency of watercolors to rock painting. I thought, why not? Be kind to others, be kind to yourself, and paint along the way.